What's up, YouTube? So Tesla has a hidden feature that nobody talks about, so we're gonna get into it. So when you get inside your Tesla vehicle, you press the car icon, you go to software. If you have a Model Y, X, S, whatever you have, 3, you just hold this for a few seconds until you see the little flash. You let it go. The code is always service. Press enter. It gives you a little warning. If you do not know what you're doing, please don't mess around with the system because you could get either hurt or permanent damage to your vehicle. But we are not here to mess with any system. All we are doing is just viewing things. So we go to enter. Once you see the red boarding around, and you know that you're currently in service mode, your AC shuts off, I guess stops the system from running. So now in service mode, we have our vehicle information. Mine is a 2022 Model Y. I'm on the AMD Ryzen with computer driving 3. I have 35,000 miles. Go to tools. You can see your vehicle history so from when the car was first purchased to now. You can have all your maintenance records. If we go to the wheel, you can see all your sensors, and this is my cameras. Let's see, this are my sensors. If I click it again, my Ford says Ford camera view cleaning. Okay, now we get into the interesting part. My speakers. I do have the Performance Edition, so I currently have all these speakers in all these locations. I think I have a total of 19 speakers. And you get out of there. It shows you your Bluetooth, the connectivity. Now, this is the high voltage system, which is the battery packs at the bottom. You go to the high voltage system. Guys, and if you don't really know what you're doing, as long as all these green points, all these points are in the green, you know that your system, is pretty good. There's my high voltage pack at the bottom of the vehicle. This says HVIL, which is the high voltage interlock system. My system is good. And then this is the drive unit. I do have the Performance Edition, so I do have a motor in the front and a motor in the rear. Then this is your 12-volt battery that's in front. If you look at the power distribution, we could check the keys that's connected. We could check to calibrate the seats if you need to calibrate the seats. This is your home link. If you're having a problem with your garage keys, you can calibrate it here. This is our refrigerant system. This is our cooling system. I like how, this is pretty cool, man. This is pretty awesome. Gives you a lot of information. It's our HVAC system. I use this section a lot for my wheel alignment. So see, my alignment is perfect. It's dead in the center, which is good, and it's very helpful when it comes to your tires, so your tires don't eat on the inside. All my TPS sensors is good. My steering rack is good. My brakes is good. It's unpressed. It tells me when it's pressed. I'm just pressing it now. Windows, it gives you a bunch of information. The exit, the service mode, you just hold down here for a few seconds, it exits, and you're back to the regular screen. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, subscribe. On to the next video.